Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. To configure MySQL, we will use MySQL secure script. So this script will remove the anonymous users, remove all the test databases, and disallow the root user's remote login. Before executing the script, we have to change the authentication method for root user to the one which uses password for login. So let's change the authentication plugin for root user first. Log into MySQL shell. So you can type command sudo MySQL. First I will show you the plugin which root user is using currently. So let's fetch the list of users. User, host, plugin from MySQL user. So as you can see, root user is using socket plugin. So we have to change this plugin to the one which uses password for login. So we can use caching SHA-2 password, or we can use MySQL native password plugin. So let's change this plugin. So to change this plugin, we can use alter statement. Alter user, name of user root, and host, local host, identified with MySQL underscore native password by enter the password for root user. Pass at 123 semicolon, press enter. So let's fetch the list of users to verify if the plugin is changed or not. So as you can see, the plugin has been changed. So exit from the MySQL prompt. Now we can execute the MySQL secure script. So let's execute sudo MySQL secure installation. Enter the root password. So would you like to set up validate password component? Press Y for yes. And this is for a password validation policy. You can select low, medium and strong. So I am using medium and enter. So estimated strength of this password 100. Change the password for root. Do you want to change the password for root? So you can press enter if you want to change the password, and no if you don't want to change the password. I am entering no. So remove anonymous user, press Y for remove. Disallow root login remotely, yes. And remove all test databases, yes. Reload the privileges, yes. So our MySQL database is secure now. We can use this database for our storage purposes. If you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video. Thanks for watching this video.